Alrighty guys, today we're going to be cleaning out my van. This is kind of a look of what it looks like before I'm getting everything cleaned out. We're going to be taking out some shelves, putting up some types of shelves, organizing everything, and getting everything ready to do some service calls. So it's a little look of it before, and I'm going to show you guys the process of doing it and the after results, so stay tuned. And if you guys want to see more long form content plumbing videos, leave a comment, and yeah, I can start filming the whole jobs and letting you guys know the ins and outs and all the headaches and stuff that happen, and not just short-term content. Leave a like, thanks. Alrighty guys, let's get this thing detailed and redone. We got that shelf out. We got plenty of room to work with. Let's get this going. Alrighty, time to take the rest of this crap out. If you guys want to see longer plumbing videos, just let me know. We can do long-term plumbing videos. I want to start doing long-form content, not just the shorts and stuff, just so I can give you guys a, how the job goes and all the ins and out of it. It's not just a quick easy fix. It's never easy. There's always something going on, so we'll get this all cleaned up, get this thing looking nice, and get it dirty again. Just repeat the cycle. Never stays clean in plumbing. Hit the shop, getting all this stuff out of here, lay out the red carpet. Boom, 5-star, baby. turn the van around so we can get the front. Alrighty, got everything turned around. So we're gonna clean out the cab. Best channel locks in the game. In the back. Alrighty guys, got the whole van emptied here. Now it's time to hose this thing out. Man, it's dusty in here. Let's get the hose connected and let's rinse this all out. Let these dry everything out for a little bit. Be back. Alrighty, everything is dry. I put everything away for now. I'm gonna come back tomorrow, get the rest of this set up. Stay tuned for part 2. Like and subscribe.